Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to place a small animation in Teta. For instance, let's consider this button created thanks to a simple container and a text. Our objective will be for it to make a short animation appear right before the Lottie widget appears. Let's add the bouncing widget to our tree, more specifically, right before the container so that it can act on the whole button. Let's add the action and then insert state, on tap, increment, and then place a state previously created, like for instance, opacity. Next, let's change the duration by inserting 150 and setting the scale factor from 1.5 to 0.8. Let's now press play and see what happens. As you can see, in just a few simple steps, we've given an animation function to our button. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!